Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to disconnect Instagram account from Facebook. To do this, you just need to go open Instagram account and after that, go to the three lines on the top right of the screen, click on them, and after that click on Account Center, and after that scroll down until you find the word Accounts, click on it, wait a little bit, and as you can see, this is my Facebook account, the last one related to this Account Center, and to disconnect Instagram from it, I just need to go select the Instagram account that I want to disconnect and click on Remove, and after that click Remove Account and click Continue and click Yes, finish removing, and like that you will disconnect your Instagram account from Facebook. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.